Hi, students. Let's look at this question here, which is on complex number. Let's see how can do this proficiently. So we were told to express z1 and z2 on the Argand diagram, given that z1 is 3 plus 2y and z2 is 2 minus 5. I think this is pretty okay. I will suggest you draw to scale for the first part and also for the subsequent part, right? So from here, we know that this is imaginary axis and this is the real axis. So we want z1. z1 is 3 plus 2y. 3 plus 2y will be 3 and 2y is here. So this is our z1. Okay, so we can just connect from here to here. Then 2 negative 5i will be here. This is 2. So this was 3 plus 2i. This is 2 minus 5i. So try and draw the scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 5 here. This is 2 minus 5i. Alright. So then we're gonna find hence using the same Argand diagram, find z1 conjugate. Now z1 conjugate will just means that it's reflection about the real axis. So because the z conjugate, you just need to flip the what they call it, the sign. So the z1 conjugate, you just have to conjugate this is 3 plus 2i, conjugate it, so this is 3 minus 2i. So this will just be a reflection here. So it's z1 conjugate. Okay, just draw it. Then we're going to look at z1 plus z2. Okay, z1 plus z2 will just means that it's a vector addition. So it's the same thing, z1 and z2. So what we could do is just add the vector up. Okay, so just like in secondary school, what we do is z1 plus z2 will just be here. You just copy this over here, just add it up. So you just take this, add with this vector here, just add over here. Okay, that's about it. Or we could just z2 plus z1 as well. It's the same thing, but generally this is how we do it. So this is z1 here. So z2 plus z1 or z1 plus z2. You give it this z1 plus z2. Okay. Then the next part is iz2. iz2 is just going counterclockwise by 90 degrees. Okay. So you could also just multiply the z2 in. You could see that. So this would be 2i minus 5i square. You get 5 plus 2i, which is actually 90 degrees. Take z2, you just add a 90 degrees to it. Okay, so this will be here. Maybe you want to show that this is 90 degrees. Here, this is 90. Okay, so what we get is actually this is our iz2. Okay, so that's what I show. For iz2 is 90 degrees clockwise. You just turn 90 degrees over here. Then whereas for the vector addition is just so the addition of the complex number is just vector addition. Okay, so that's how we do this proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please do let us know and I'll see you in the next question.